Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry at home. To begin, selecting fresh, high-quality ingredients is paramount for achieving the best flavor. You will need essential spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Aromatic bases typically feature ginger, garlic, and onions, all finely chopped. Finally, decide on your protein, whether it is chicken, lamb, fish, or a selection of fresh vegetables. Next, let us build the foundational flavor for your curry. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, such as onions, ginger, and garlic, until they are fragrant and beautifully softened. Then, add your ground spices and cook them for approximately 1 minute to truly release their wonderful aromas. Finally, incorporate a liquid base like creamy coconut milk, rich broth, or vibrant crushed tomatoes, and simmer gently. Now it is time to add your main ingredients. Brown your chosen protein, perhaps chicken or lamb, before introducing it to the simmering sauce. For harder vegetables, such as potatoes or carrots, add them earlier in the cooking process to ensure they become tender. Softer vegetables, like spinach or bell peppers, should be added later. Ensure everything cooks through, absorbing the rich essence of the curry. Finally, let us perfect your homemade curry. Adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt, a touch of sugar, or a refreshing squeeze of lime juice to balance the flavors. Garnish generously with fresh herbs, such as vibrant cilantro or cool mint, for a beautiful and aromatic finish. Serve your delicious curry hot with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or soft roti, and enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.